how to fix Xbox app games not downloading. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where games aren't downloading on the Xbox app. Stick around till the end so you don't miss any important steps. First, go ahead and close the Xbox app completely. Then come down to the search bar on your desktop and type in Xbox. When you see the Xbox app icon show up, right-click on it and select App Settings. Once you're in the app settings, scroll down a bit and look for the Terminate option. Click on it to force close any background activity the app might be running. After that, move down to the Reset section and first click on Repair. Let that finish. It won't delete any of your data. If that still doesn't solve the problem, go ahead and click on Reset just below it. Confirm the reset when prompted. This will restore the Xbox app to its default settings, but don't worry, your account and games will stay intact. Once that's done, close out of the settings and open the Xbox app again. Try downloading the game now and hopefully it starts working properly. If this helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more tech fixes. Thanks for watching.